Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Ali, and if you like cute and adorable animal videos, then please stick around and think about subscribing, because I post animal videos fairly frequently on this channel, and it'd be great to have you along. So I did a thing.
Just did a good thing. I don't regret this thing at all.
I decided to incubate and hatch some Brahma eggs, mainly because one of my Brahma groups, the cockerel to hen ratio isn't quite right. I need some more hens, so I'm hoping to get some hens out of this, but I thought I'd show you the chicks because they are absolutely adorable. Now I have some gold Brahma chicks and some light Brahma chicks in here, and they're about a week old now. I have got another 7 eggs in the incubator at the moment that are actually pipping at the moment, which means they're ready to hatch. So they should be hatching in the next 24 hours or so. So that's exciting.
6.5 hours later.
So, okay, this has happened. I shall show you. Out of the 7 eggs I incubated, 6 have hatched, which is a really good hatch rate. At the moment they're all kind of still lethargic because they've only just come out of the eggs. Yeah, so I've got this 6 and 6 older ones. So I've raised a little army of chicks. Now I will show you the older chicks. Okay, so these are the chicks. Now, only one of them really has a name, and it's this light Brahma here. And the reason why that one has a name and none of the others do is because it was the first one that actually hatched, and my daughter must have spent about 40 minutes just talking away to this chick, telling the chick how it was hatched and how they'd popped out of an egg, and also just talking to this chick about her day. It was really adorable. And I asked my daughter whether she wanted to name the chick, and she said yes. And she initially wanted to name the chick Chick, and I said maybe that's not the best name for a chick, calling it Chick. So then she decided that she wanted to call it Egg, and at that point I just thought, okay, this one's called Egg. They are all really adorable, and if Egg is hopefully Egg is a girl, because I don't really need females, but if it is a boy, I probably will still keep him because he's now got a name. Yeah, they're super cute, and they're ever so funny. These ones are the gold Brahmas, and the rest are light Brahmas. And they are super cute. They're starting to get their adult feathers through already on their wings. The feathers normally start at the wings, and then they gradually get them all around the rest of their body as well. They are super cute.